Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Blooket hacks. All you have to do is go to GitHub. So we need to open a new tab right here. Then here on the search box, you need to type right here github.com. So open your GitHub right here. And you don't actually need to sign in or sign up your account with this. And all you need to do is go to the search box and type right here Blooket. And then right here you need to find mine's rough 2 slash Blooket cheats. So you just click this one. And now right over here you need to click this obfuscated folder. So just click this one. And then you will find right here another folder. So you just find right here at the bottom GUI.js. So you're gonna click this one also, and right here on the next page you just have to copy this link or this JavaScript right here, copy raw contents. Then once you've copied this one, you can now go to Blooket dashboard. So going back right over here, and then all you need to do is click the star icon, which is the bookmark. And then right here, if you click this one, you get to click this more option or the more button right here. And here on edit bookmark, as you can see, you need to change the URL. So we're gonna put JavaScript and then a double dot right here. And here you're gonna paste the link or the JavaScript. And then click on save. Now it will automatically pops up the message right here. But if it's not showing up, go ahead and click these three dots, then click these bookmarks and find that bookmark right here. So click this one and it will show up the message right here on your screen. So as you can see, cheats. So here on global cheats right here, you can get a daily rewards. So you just click this one, this button, get daily rewards. And as you can see, this cheat only works on play.blooket.com. So if we click this one, you can now use that hack right here. So you have many options right here with this cheat here in Gold Quest, Cafe, Crypto Hack, no. So you can use these cheats right here on your Blooket. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.